Hello, I'm Brickule and welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to show you a neat little Lego creation that I came across one time. I used to work at Brickforge back when they had a storefront here in Ohio, and this guy came in to show a puzzle box, and I couldn't figure it out. So, he gave me this piece of paper that had a picture of it. I finally figured it out. So let's see how this works. So when he brought it to me, I went and removed all of these 1x6 bricks, and that's about all that I could figure out for the time that he was in the store. So you just remove those, and then, what on earth is it? But I finally figured out how to do it. To open it, you're going to crack each of the remaining 1x6s apart. This does not stress the bricks out or bend them. So you just crack all 6 sides. Might need to use your fingernail to get in there sometimes. Yeah. So then you continue prying them like this around all 6 sides. And it slowly forces the pieces apart until eventually it just falls apart. So, to build the puzzle box, you will need 24 of each 1x8s and 1x6. To begin, you take these and you build one of these in each color. Alright, so you've got these all in one shape. Then you're going to want to build pretty much the same, but you leave out one of the 1x6s. So, like that. And so you build 3 of those. Then you're going to stack these like this. And you take this one and you slide it in like that. And I'll slide that in from the top and make it easier. And take the 1x6 off of there. And you slide that one in. Alright. Nope, that's upside down. Yeah. So then you pull that up. You put the 1x6 there. And then you do the same on this side. And then you just squeeze the pieces together. Oh, forgot a red one. And there's a white one too. Yeah. Alright. Okay. I swear I've done this before. Many times. Just been a while. There we go. So, squeeze those together. And then all that's left is to put these 1x6s on the outside. And there it is. So, now that that's completed, you can stick some fake money on the inside, or just hand it to your friends and confuse the hell out of them. Subscribe for more! Yeah!